I made two cheesecake. One used a mixer, the other a blender. Which one do you think will taste better? With the mixer, it took me only 10 minutes. It's really fast. But with the blender, it only took 30 seconds. They were both baked and chilled in the same way. The first one was obviously very delicious as expected. But how was the second one? Not bad at all. To make the blended version, add 3 eggs, 250 grams of whipping cream, then 500 grams of cream cheese, 175 grams of sugar, and 15 grams of all-purpose flour. Blend them together for about 15 seconds. Then scrape the side and blend them again. Once the batter is smooth, put a parchment paper over a cake pan. Then pour the batter inside. Preheat the oven to 400 Fahrenheit, then bake it for 1 hour. Once it's golden on top and just a little bit juggly, take it out and leave on rack to cool. Once cooled, chill in the fridge for a couple hours. Now you can enjoy with some whipping cream, some berries, caramel sauce, whatever you like.